In a snowy night setting, two horses pull a heavy pickup truck while stunned onlookers watch in disbelief. An elder dog steps in to stop a chaotic fight, asserting calm authority among the group. A cat suddenly attacks a dog, only for another cat to jump in and defend it in a surprising twist. A large bird attacks a peacock in front of shocked witnesses, creating a sudden burst of chaos. Sensing danger, a dog alerts its owner to smoke coming from a machine, preventing a possible disaster. Inside a zoo, a gorilla calmly returns a dropped phone after a man offers a basket, an unexpectedly gentle act. A dog quickly pulls a child out of water, turning a dangerous moment into relief. Divers freeze as a massive shark glides past them, followed by a sudden leap of a giant fish.
I love you!
Get out! Stay away from me, Jimmy! I'm reporting you! I'm calling the police!
During a tense confrontation, a dog defends its owner, forcing an aggressive crowd to back away. A man opens a door only to find a cat hanging from the handle, creating a bizarre and funny surprise. After a landslide, a loyal dog helps people search through the debris.
왜 그러지?
Inside a hospital, a horse calmly walks among patients, bringing both shock and smiles. Two dogs assist a disabled woman by handling daily tasks, showing incredible training and care. At night, a dog catches a thief attempting to steal a bicycle, forcing him to flee in fear. A protective dog attacks a suspicious man near an ATM, ensuring the woman's safety. In a strange yet touching moment, a dog pours water over a struggling fish to keep it alive. A dog aggressively protects its unconscious owner, refusing to let anyone come close. A fallen man on a wheelchair is helped back up by his horse, a rare and powerful moment. On a street, a dog helps push a wheelchair, quietly assisting its owner's movement. A tense standoff unfolds as dogs and a wild animal face each other on an open field. Inside a hospital, a loyal dog stays beside its patient, offering silent emotional support. A dog refuses to leave its owner even during hospital transport, showing deep loyalty. Dogs attack an intruder inside a shop, stopping the situation before it escalates. A cat narrowly escapes a snake attack with quick reflexes before striking back. A cat gently rocks a baby's swing, creating a calm and heartwarming scene. A group of buffaloes turn against a lion to protect one of their own, forcing it to retreat. A hunted animal escapes danger as predators close in, creating a dramatic survival moment. A playful cat interacts with a crawling baby, forming a surprisingly gentle bond. A dog intervenes as a man raises a stick toward a child, acting as a fearless protector. During training, a dog stops a man from grabbing a child, reacting instantly to danger. A dog blocks a suspicious interaction between a man and a child, showing sharp awareness. A sudden fight breaks out between dogs on the street before they scatter away. A protective cat attacks a dog to defend its kitten, creating a fierce maternal moment. On a field, one animal helps another escape from a deadly snake encounter.
It's gone.
He's gonna eat it now. He's going to eat the...
Yes.
A dog fearlessly confronts a cobra in front of stunned onlookers, turning into a true guardian. A dog chases away a fox that sneaks into a house, successfully protecting the chickens. On a field, a dog blocks a man approaching a child, acting with immediate protective instinct. A fearless dog attacks a snake near a building, protecting a man and his child from sudden danger. Inside a home, a dog calmly watches television, creating a surprisingly human-like moment. A dog dives into the water to rescue a struggling man, turning a dangerous moment into survival. A loyal dog escapes restraint and runs toward its hospitalized owner, refusing to be separated. A cat urgently signals its owner to get out of the bathtub, creating a strangely warning moment.
All around the
A cat blocks a child from leaving the room, acting like a quiet guardian. A dog scares off thieves trying to steal a vehicle, protecting its owner's property. A cat fiercely attacks a dog to save a child, turning into an unexpected hero in seconds. A gentle cat comforts a crying child, bringing calm and silence to the room. In a tense moment, a dog confronts a bear on a wall while its owner rushes to safety. A cat gently calms a crying baby, creating a peaceful and emotional bond. On a field, a buffalo suddenly attacks a man, creating a shocking and intense moment. A dog defends its owner from robbers, forcing them to flee in fear. A dog stops a child from reaching a dangerous road, preventing a serious accident. Inside a home, a trained dog brings medicine to its sick owner, showing incredible care. A playful dolphin splashes water on people, turning the scene into a funny surprise. A dog alerts people to a man drowning in a pool, helping trigger a life-saving rescue. A dog chases down a thief and retrieves a stolen bag, acting like a true protector. Bold bird attacks dogs on a rainy road, creating a chaotic and unexpected scene. A dog joyfully welcomes a disabled man home, creating a heartwarming reunion.
I got him when he was a little puppy at the kill shelter.
A clever monkey returns an item in exchange for a treat, showing surprising intelligence. A dog fearlessly scares off a charging bull, protecting people nearby. A cat climbs a tree to retrieve a toy while a dog watches in amazement.
In my backyard.
Two dogs attempt to confront a bear outside a house, creating a tense standoff. A group of dogs play together on a street, creating a lively and amusing scene. A dog attacks a predator to save sheep, forcing the threat to retreat.
Come on, Bubba. No! No!
A mountain road, a dog saves a man by driving away an attacking bear.
Dante, come! Dante, come! Dante, come! Dante, come! Come on, buddy! Dante! Up! Come on! Let's go to the truck! Come on, Bubba!
A crocodile retreats in fear after encountering a dog near the water's edge. Two horses play freely on a field, showing a calm and joyful interaction. A trained dog performs chest compressions on a fainted woman, showing life-saving skills. A man swims among sharks, creating a tense and risky underwater moment. A dog jumps into a pool to rescue a fallen bird, saving its life in seconds. At night, a cat scares away a fox approaching a house, protecting the area. A man narrowly escapes as aggressive animals charge toward him on a field. A wild pig attacks a man in the jungle before he regains control of the situation. A snake enters a building, causing panic among people inside. A dolphin retrieves a dropped phone from the water and returns it to its owner. A dog helps an elderly man ride a three-wheeler, offering steady support. A dog rescues another dog from water, showing loyalty between companions. A dog patiently waits at a door, greeting its owner with quiet loyalty. A dog assists a dizzy woman onto a bed, preventing her from collapsing. A protective cat attacks a person pretending harm, defending its owner instantly. A dog delivers a package into a house, acting like a trained helper. An elephant scares away lions, asserting dominance to protect the area. A kangaroo steps in to stop a bird attacking a man, creating a rare rescue moment. A dog digs through snow to rescue a trapped man, becoming a lifesaver in extreme conditions.
Bien ça. C'est bien.
Thank you.
A cat gently massages a resting man, ending the scene with calm and care. A horse approaches a sick man, creating an emotional and comforting moment.